Welcome to DTS. For this video, I'd like to share my opinion about this question. Artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning, robotics will threaten human life. For short answer, yes, I think so. If we do not control them. First of all, I'm not an expert of this field. This is purely based on my opinion, and after watching, listening, reading books, and watching a lot of interview from experts in this field, and some big people like Elon Musk and expert in this field. So the most shocking incident related to this topic was AlphaGo game was held in Korea. Basically, AlphaGo is some program was developed by DeepMind, which is purchased by Google, and now they call it Alphabet. They defeated the world champion of Go players. It was very shocking news. That was the first time I heard the DeepMind and artificial intelligence and machine learning. And I also learned that Go game is quite very complicated game. I should say, because it's not easy game, because there's almost unlimited cases can be possible with that rule and with that space. So yeah, so I put the 6 YouTube link in the description section in this video. I'd like you to watch the first video first. First video is Handle Robot Reimagined for Logistics. Please watch the first video. Okay, I assume that you watched the first video. So the robot move the boxes in some warehouse, right? Interesting, right? Some people think that, even that simple work gonna be changed by robotics and machines with a certain intelligence, right? Some people concerned about it. Okay, let's go to the second video. Let's pause the current video and let's watch it. Okay, I assume that you watched the second video. Second video is can this basketball playing robot beat the professionals? It's amazing, right? It looks almost like shape is like human, and the motion of a robot is also very similar to professional basketball game player. And the probability of success is pretty high, right? Amazing. Which also implies that human basketball player and professional also can be replaced by a robot with a certain intelligence, right? Okay. There's a third video, which is it's an interview of the Masayoshi Son, the founder of the SoftBank Bank in Korea, in Japan. Please go to the video of that third video link. Time is 18 minutes 30 seconds. He shares his opinion of robotics and AI. Please pause the current video and watch. Okay. I assume that you also watched the third video, and the Masayoshi Son mentioned singularity, which means that technological singularity, which means that the computer super intelligence will surpass mankind intelligence. So based on the Wikipedia definition of technological singularity, or simply singularity, is that a hypothesis, that the invention of artificial intelligence, super intelligence, will abruptly trigger runaway technological growth, resulting in unfathomable changes to human civilization. Which is the same meaning. The digital computer super intelligence will surpass human intelligence. So, near future, the AI, digital artificial intelligence, will be smarter than us, and with robotics development, they will be stronger than us, and they will not have any fatigue. They were stronger and more efficient, much less, they will make much less mistakes, and more higher success probability than human for same job. Okay, I put the fourth video, that is Mario.io, machine learning for video games. Let's see the fourth video by pausing this video. So so that video is showing that Mario video game, Mario.io is a program made of neural networks and genetic algorithm that kick butt at Super Mario World. the playing of the video game is not like a human's game, right? No mistakes, perfect score, no go backward, just go straight. And interesting is that is the generation 34 and made in 2015, 4 years ago. And the developer shared all the code used in the game. It's only about 1,000 coding lines. Only 1,000 coding lines. And they call the do loop infinitely neural evolution with some logic and with some rules. The digital intelligence evolve by itself without giving any instruction and beat all human record, human's ability, right? So I also heard that Elon Musk's friend told him that the most smartest talent are working on AI to make them more smarter. And he also really concerned about the future. With the 4 videos, I think that some current jobs that doesn't need some thinking or doesn't need to be some job that job that is only that requires only certain rules without creativity or compassion will be replaced by AI or robots. So basically AI is like a optimization expert without compassion. For example, I'm driving Tesla Model 3. It has a autopilot function. Basically, that autopilot function is also kind of AI, can drive my car better than me, more safer, and it keep monitoring 360 degree every millisecond or less than that, which means that the job related to the driving, like a taxi or transferring the cargo to some truck driver, that job will be replaced by AI and machine. And some doctor job is purely diagnose patient problem based on the patient opinion, right? So where they having some problem, and then give them some subscription, some medicine, right? Basically, doctor's job is understand patient's problem and then read the manual and then give them a solution based on the previous experience, right? Which means that some job, that kind of job will be also replaced, because with the optimization from AI, solution from that optimization will be better than humans' decision, right? Also, I also watched the internet about the diagnose some tumor in the brain with the machine learning algorithm. The AI can detect the tumor in the brain better than the best doctors in some field. Human can make a mistake. Machine can make better job than human. Another thing is also driving, racing driver. Racing driver also, I think, is the same concept. They're driving on track, right? So rule is already there. Who is the fastest one among player, right? With the AI, it will optimize so many things, and eventually it will be the best driver in the player. So machine will be better than human with a certain rule. But also it will be pretty scary. But when we also look at the taxi driver or truck driver or the worker working in the warehouse, moving the box, I think if somebody asked me to those jobs for me with a lot of salary, I think I may refuse it, because those kind of job doesn't need any thinking. I think I don't discriminate. I mean, anything. I also respect their job. Our society need them. If they do not work their job, our society will be in big trouble. Somebody should do that right now with the current technology development. But I think no one wants to work for all days without thinking. I think those work are literally machines work that doesn't need any thinking, because already we know how to do it, right? We don't need to think. Basically, machine can do that. I think people should more focus on how we can help and serve other people with new services. I think still there are so many things that people need service, and it could be still, we don't know, it still doesn't exist. But I think people should more focus on how to help and support and love people, other people, so that people should more focus on some work for more meaningful things. In that perspective, I think we should not compete with the robot, because they're going to be more smarter and more stronger than human. If we compete with them, we will definitely fail. Definitely we will fail. Basically, they are better than human in some aspect. So we should more focus on how we can help other people, more focusing on the compassion, how to help people. There is a fifth link, that is the Elon Musk on Google's DeepMind artificial intelligence AI. There's another YouTube link. Please watch that one. Okay. So Elon Musk really concerned about the AI, right? So AI, some current work from the previous link, like robot in the warehouse, or basketball player, robot, or autonomous driving. I think that's okay. But the real his concern, I think, you saw the Mario video game, right? So without teaching the how to play, it basically, the AI algorithm evolved by itself. So which means that, like what Elon said, if those algorithms somehow enter into some information server, like a Google server, it will do something that we didn't expect. It will do a lot of iteration, do something, and in the world, with this current society, we also have certain rules and some boundary. With a certain boundary, with a certain rule, we live together in the world. But with AI, with the neural evolution, it will do something without following the instruction. It will do something that mankind doesn't expect. So if in their goal on the way, if mankind, humans, need to be removed for certain direction, digital or computer super intelligence will eliminate mankind without any compassion. I think that is the thing that Elon Musk concerned about it. So that's why he supported OpenAI concept non-profit organization to regulate and developed some technologies that AI cannot threaten the human mankind. There is a last link, number 6, a link, which is how AI can save our humanity. That is TED Talk by Kai-Fu Lee. He's one of the most smartest expert in the AI, and I want you to watch that video. He says that similar things, a lot of work that doesn't need creativity or compassion will be replaced by AI. And at the same time, with that kind of advanced, more convenient technology development, more service will be maybe needed. And with that advanced technology, humans' life gonna be much more convenient and it could be better. So I think he really can see what kind of job is really needed and how we should approach our future in the right way. There are a lot of uncertainties, but with some videos from the expert in the AI, I think hugely completely different world will come. So we should be prepared, and also we need to regulate those AI development. And although I'm not the expert in the field, there are some people know the danger of the AI. I hope our future is good with these technologies. And I'm also surprised that the all respected, the experts or saying that we need more focus on the human, the people. Yeah, I think we need to give more thought on our work. I think we don't need to worry about the future, but I think we should think how we should prepare our future. The number 3 YouTube link Masayoshi Son video is pretty good. I really enjoyed. If you are also interested in those things, I recommend that video. Yeah, this is my thought about AI, machine learning, robotics, and robotics. I mean, deep learning. Yeah, I hope our future is better for our next generation. Let's work together to make a better world, and let's think how we can help people around us, my family, my friends, and all the people. There's no good and bad people. Simply they are different. We should respect them and think how we can help them with the current technologies or with some help. I hope you some valuable information in this video, and this place is my office at Qualcomm. This is my colleague's office, our desk, Pavan. Yeah. Okay. I will record a video in the different location in the future. Okay. Be happy by helping people. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.